Hello, dear friends. As S.Y.B.Sc computer science students, if you are interested in learning about electronics, we have some exciting content for you. We will be covering Practical, which includes Paper 3, Practical Course, ELC 233. So stay tuned with HD Tutorials 43 for informative and engaging tutorials on these topics. We have provided practical-wise links below for your convenience, allowing you to navigate through the content easily and effectively. Our tutorials are presented in proper English language format to ensure clarity and understanding. Let's dive into the fascinating world of electronics and explore the principles of electronics practical together. 1. Arithmetic. Logical and code conversion problems using SYBSC programming 2. Traffic light controller using 8 S.Y.B.Sc microcontroller. 3. Waveform generation using DAC Interface to 8 S.Y.B.Sc microcontroller. 4. Speed control of stepper motor using 8 S.Y.B.Sc microcontroller 5. Interfacing LCD to 8 S.Y.B.Sc microcontroller 6. Study of error detection and correction by using Hamming code technique. 7. Study of frequency shift keying. 8. Study of time division multiplexing. 9. Study of computer network components, cables, connectors, routers, switches, Ethernet, and related interfacing cards. 10. To study the configuration of IP and MAC address, and to study local area network setup. All the links given in the below description links. We hope you find these tutorials valuable and enjoyable. Happy learning! If you have any questions or need further clarification on any topic, feel free to ask. Let's make the most out of this learning journey together.